So I bought the same Tassimo machine, coffee maker, at a local grocery store a while ago, and it didn't function. So I returned it and I ordered a new one online because it has a better offer. It comes with an extra capsules. Actually, they come in different colors, but I only saw one option, which is black and red, so I picked this color. And you can see here is the free capsules that I got, and it's the machine. It's called Tassimo Happy, and actually you can use the cutter, but yeah, it says you shouldn't. So I tried just open it, and actually you can see which kind of coffee pots you can use on the top of the box, but I kind of destroyed it. And here you can see there are some manuals, but I already tried the coffee machine 3 times before I returned to the grocery shop the last time, so I don't need them. I already knew how to do it. And here's another manual. You just follow the manual. The first thing you have to do, you have to plug it, and then you have to fill the tank with water until its maximum capacity, and then you see here how to open the flap. Just push it up and push it down again to close it. It's pretty easy. And then at the side, at the bottom, here's the disc and another manual. This disc is used for cleaning the machine, so for the first time you have to clean the machine using this disc, and make sure you put it the right direction, because if you put it the wrong direction it won't read, because it's an electrical brewer, so it should read the barcode. And after that you just push the power button and make sure you put a cup under the machine, and as soon as you push the power button you should hear the sound of the machine working, because the last time with the non-functional machine I couldn't hear the noise and it just didn't work. So just follow the steps on the manual. It's not complicated, and you repeat the process 3 times until the machine is ready to use, because you want to clean the machine from all the whatever that it may have. You don't have to refill the water tank because you already fill it until its maximum capacity, so you just pour the water out and press the button again 3 times until all the process is finished. After pouring out the water 3 times, the machine is ready to be used for the first time. but make sure you refill the water tank this time because you already used 3 cups of water, so you want to have enough water for your drink. Now this is the first time that I have this kind of coffee machine because I didn't know that you can't just use any capsules or coffee pots for this machine, and I couldn't find, or I didn't see at the grocery shop the capsules or coffee pots for Tassimo, so I just grabbed this, and it was a mistake because apparently I can't use these coffee pots. So you have to use only these specific coffee pots or capsules for this machine. And it comes with 2. First you got the, I think this is the milk for the first, and then after that this is the coffee pots. And the reason you can't use any pots for this machine is because this has like a special, what do you call it, barcode. So I wonder if you can copy this and make like refill pots. I don't know, I may have to experiment on that, and I'll make another video. But yeah, this is the reason you can't just use any brand coffee of any brands of coffee pots or capsules for this, and you have to put it back and use it later for cleaning the machine. And so I'm going to try for my first cup of latte macchiato. Now be careful, the pot is now hot, so as you take it out, be careful. Now you see, now it has 2 holes in it. I wonder if I can refill this. Now you put the second pot, which is the coffee, the same way, facing down. Now the process is complete and I have my coffee macchiato ready to enjoy.